In the last episode, I showed you how to find an existing volunteer group, which you can do by clicking Find a Volunteer Group here. But what if none of these groups look like they will fit you, or you want to create your own group, or maybe you represent a company and you want to create a group for your company? Well, you can do that here by clicking this Create a Group button. I want to create a group for Mr. Bongo. Let's call his group the Gorillas. See if I can spell it properly. There we go. And Mr. Bongo is going to use this group, of course, to volunteer with his fellow gorillas. And so let's enter a description here for this group. All right, there we go. And here you can upload a logo. I'll just use Mr. Bongo's profile pic for now. That should work just fine. And here you have a number of membership settings. So show in directory is what controls whether or not it's going to show up in that public groups list. In addition, you can choose whether or not you want new members to be held for approval. The default is for the group to show up in the directory and that anybody can join, but you can make your group a little bit more private. You can have it not show up in the directory, and you can set it so that all new members must be approved. If you choose not to have it show up in the directory, but you leave it so that anyone can join, then what happens is they need a special invite link in order to join, and I'll show you how you can find that invite link. Now, what do you call your members? So this is a group of primates or gorillas maybe, so you can change this here from the default, which is volunteers. You can make it say primates. And this is our group terms of service, which you can read and agree to. And then you just click create a group. And what this is going to do is it's going to generate an email notification to the Activate Good admins. We want to take a look at all of the groups that sign up and make sure that that people have an understanding of what they're sort of getting themselves into, right? Sometimes, occasionally, we'll get a nonprofit that tries to create a volunteer group, and we just want to make sure that people understand what's going on. So new groups are held for approval, but they usually get approved pretty quickly within a day or so. So once that group gets approved, then you'll be able to see all of the different group controls under here. And you can get to this page by going to My Account, My Groups, and then finding the group that you created. Now, if you click on My Groups and you see a group here highlighted in red, that just means that that group hasn't been approved yet. So in the next video, I'll show you how to get control over your group and recruit members.